ಹಲೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಿಕಾಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತಹ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಸಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂತಹ ಕೊನೆ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ 5ನೇ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೋತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್? ಆನ್ಸರ್: ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಟೋರೇಜ್, ಸರ್ವರ್ಸ್, ಡಾಟಾಬೇಸ್, ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ಎರಡನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, which of the following is not a type of cloud server? Answer: merged cloud server. ಮೂರನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, which of the following is a type of cloud computing service? Answer: software as a service. Fourth question, which of the following is an example of the cloud? Amazon, Dropbox, Cisco, all of the above. All of the above. Answer. Fifth question, dash model attempts to categorize a cloud network based on 4-dimensional factors. Answer: cloud cube. Which statement is correct? Answer: a development model defines the purpose of the cloud and the nature of how the cloud is located. Seventh question, which statement is incorrect? So all of the above are incorrect statements. Which of the following monitors the performance of the major cloud-based service in real time in Cloud Commons? Answer: cloud sensor. Which of the following is an example of SaaS cloud service? Answer: all of the above. The essential concept related to the cloud is abstraction. In which of the following service models the hardware is virtualized in the cloud? Answer: IaaS. Dash is related to pooling and sharing of resources in cloud. Answer: virtualization. Next question, app-based tool that allows you assign access rights to different objects in the system is dash security role management. The total number of phrases present in cloud compute planning are dash 3. An application that provides for transactions overflow in a reservation system is an example of dash cloud bursting. Which statement is correct? Answer: data centers have been seated to optimize the overall system latency. 17th question, which of the following benefit is related to creates resources that are pooled together in a system that support multi-tenant usage? Answer: on-demand self-service. 18th question, which statement is correct? Internet consumer roughly 1% of the world's total power. 19th question, cloud computing is a dash system and it is necessarily unidirectional in nature. Answer: stateless. 20th question, which of the following architectural standards is working with cloud computing industry? Answer: service oriented architecture. 21st question, dash is a complete operating environment with applications, management and user interface. Answer: SaaS. 22nd question, the three different service models are together known as the model of the cloud computing dash. Answer: SPI. SaaS stands for communication. 24th question, which of the following is related to the service provided by cloud? Sourcing. Last question, dash cloud is one where the cloud has been organized to serve a common function or purpose. Answer: community. So these 25 questions are from cloud computing topic. From this topic we will get minimum 6 questions. Thank you.